everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Debapriya and today we're going to learn something very important. How to introduce yourself in English step by step. Whether you're meeting someone new, starting a job or speaking in class, this video will help you speak clearly, confidently and naturally. Let's start with the basics. Your name. Don't say myself Ramesh, that's incorrect. Say I'm Ramesh, my name is Ramesh, or you can call me Ramesh. Keep it short and friendly. Next, you can talk about where you're from. Say I'm from Kolkata, India. I live in Mumbai. You can also add I grew up in Bangalore but now I live in Delhi. Now let's tell them what you do, your job or what you're studying. Examples. I work as a graphic designer. I'm a student at Delhi University. I'm currently looking for job opportunities. Keep it simple and clear. This part helps make your introduction more interesting. Share one or two personal details like your hobbies or interests. Examples. I love reading and watching movies. In my free time, I enjoy cooking. I'm really passionate about photography. It shows personality and helps start a conversation. Always end your introduction with a polite closing. You can say, "Nice to meet you. I'm looking forward to working with you. Thanks for your time." Now let's put it all together. Let me show you what a complete introduction sounds like. Here's a formal example for work or interviews. Hi, I'm Meera Sharma. I'm from Pune and I work as a software developer. I have over 5 years of experience in back-end development. In my free time, I enjoy painting and hiking. It's a pleasure to meet you. Now, a casual example for social settings. Hey, I'm Rahul. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm currently studying marketing. I'm super into football and I love trying out new food spots. Nice to meet you. Now let's quickly recap the 5 steps to a great self-introduction. Say your name, say where you're from, talk about what you do, add 1 or 2 personal details, end politely. Easy, right? Now it's your turn. Write your own introduction in the comments and I'll give you my feedback. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an English lesson. Keep practicing and keep growing. See you in the next one.